So now, MJ Tree dreamed a place where children could laugh, run, and just be. A place he never had. A place called Neverland. Laughter echoed through the trees. From 1988 to 2005, Neverland was not just a playground, it was MJ Tree's home. He gave it all on stage, each move, each note, a message to the world. Flashes burst, questions flew, fame louder than ever. Beyond the lights and cheers, the streets moved, the lights flickered, but inside, he felt nothing. On screen, voices accused, rumors twisted into headlines. The TV didn't lie, but it didn't tell the truth either. They could say what they wanted, but in the mirror, he found someone worth believing in. From pain came a melody. He poured his hopes into a song, Heal the World, a message for the album and for humanity. The day had come. MJ Tree's 8th album, Dangerous, was released, and with it, the world tour began. His 8th album, Dangerous, topped global charts, sold millions, and marked a new era. The world listened and remembered. In front of 3,500 children at the Super Bowl, MJ Tree didn't just perform, he shared his soul. He sang Heal the World not for applause, but for a dream, a kinder world. As Heal the World played on, a child reached out with a flower, not fear. The soldier took it. No gun, no war. In that simple moment, a gun was replaced by hope. Together they planted more than trees, they planted hope, a quiet promise for a better world. Music with a mission. His songs had purpose, and the world felt it. When the lights faded and the crowd disappeared, he stood still, listening to the silence that success couldn't fill. Then came her voice, soft and clear from the depths of memory.
You have the gift to touch hearts, my child.
And in the silence that followed, something stirred within him. A melody, deeper than pain, wider than sorrow. He began to write, his voice rising for the earth. They said he wanted to heal the world with his songs, his heart, his voice, but maybe, deep down, he was trying to heal the world he lost. His childhood, his silence, his soul.